Assalamu alaikum and hello friends. Welcome to my channel Simple and Easy Recipes. Today we are going to prepare fried masala with dosa. Let's get started. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. After oil is heated, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, onion and saute well. Now add capsicum, carrot and saute well. Few minutes. Next add tomatoes and salt. Now fry well until the mixture is soft. Now the fried masala mixture is ready. In a bowl, take half cup maida, 1 cup wheat flour, salt, 1 teaspoon oil, pour water and mix to a batter consistency. Mixture to the batter and mix well. Next heat the tawa and grease the tawa with oil and pour the batter and spread all over tawa. Next apply the oil all over the batter and after few seconds flip the dosa and cook until crisp. Now the fried masala with dosa is ready. Serve it with sambar or chutney. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.